Okay. I received this package from Amazon today. Ordered it using gift cards from Swagbooks. And I'm very excited because I ordered some really nice, well, not nice, but I ordered electrical equipment that someone like me should have. And now I finally do have it. I've already cut the tape because you don't need to see me do that. It's kind of boring. Well, okay, let's see what's going on here. Bubble wrapping. Or is this called bubble wrapping? I don't know. Airbags, always useful. If I ever have to ship something, I can reuse that. This is a soldering toolkit. So you can see in there, there's like a soldering iron. That's a solder pump, a solder sucking pump, and oh, it comes with a little bit of solder, lead-free solder. Okay. Soldering wick, and what's this on the back? Look at that, there's even the basics of soldering, little ditto right there. Okay. That's nice, it seems to have diagrams and stuff on it. That will be useful, because even though I have a little bit of experience, it's always good to read up on stuff. Okay, next is a digital multimeter. That's a pretty bland box, but let's see what I open it. It's down. Okay, so electrical probes. Okay, black and red. Yep. And the multimeter itself, wrapped in plastic. Now that is nice. Okay. Now, let's see. It has a stand, which is good. Where are the batteries? That's what I'm wondering. Oh, come on, don't tell me. Maybe it's under this. No, I don't know where the batteries go. Oh, I see. This back part peels off. And nope, I still don't know where the batteries go. Does it come with instructions? Let's see. Oh, look. Yes, an instruction manual. Let me see whether I can see where the batteries go. Remove the 2 screws in the bottom of the case. Oh. Yeah, there are 2 screw holes right here. Alright, but I think it seems to come with a battery, so let's see whether I can hook this up to a power source and see how much it has. So, just undo this, the ties on the probes here. Cool. Now, red to, there, and black to common. I'm gonna set it to a DC voltage of unless it works. Let me go see whether I can find a battery in here. Well, come on, I knew I had one. Oh. Here we go. Okay. Let's see. Check this AA. Oh, this is a really old AA battery. Let's see. Okay, I gotta set it to. That's AC. The DC. 20 volts, I guess. No, wait. One should be 1.5 volts. So I can set it to 2 volt setting. Okay. Stand it up. No whether you can. Okay, so it's on. And let me just I don't need to worry about the terminals in this case. They'll just appear negative if I have them wrong. Look at that. Negative 1.418 volts on this. Too bad you can't see that. Maybe you can, if I do this. That's too low. Thankfully I have this box. Okay, let's do this. So I'm gonna put the red probe on this end and the black probe on that end. It doesn't really matter. And look at that, negative one. It's about negative 1.5 volts. That's correct. Battery, a AA battery should have about that much. Now let me put this back in here. Okay. Alright, turn it off. Let me put the cover back on. Did I do it backwards? I did it backwards. I would do this backwards. Alright, so I'll put that aside for now. And the final thing in this box is Alpha Fry electrical repair solder. Now, I got a soldering iron, so I figured I might as well get solder at the same time. So, yep, that's cool. And that's all that's in the box. Now I also have a free box. Oh. I'll stack that up somehow in my box pile over there. I have a pile of boxes because, you know, boxes do come in handy once in a while. Especially when you're selling stuff on the internet. So, like my little scale, I found this in an old office. Can measure up to 2 pounds, which is nice. I found most of the electronics I'm selling are under 2 pounds, which is probably a good thing because they're handhelds. Yeah. Okay. So, yeah. I've been waiting forever to have a multimeter. I mean, that's just one of the things that I've always needed. I just haven't had. So yeah, now I have multimeter.